Made it, Toddy.
Yeah, man.
Made it.
You.
Yeah, boy. Look at that big hill. Look at that big hill. So what's up guys, Greg Phillips here. Today we're back at what we call Jurassic Park, which is a little spot between close to New South Wales. Here with Cop FPV, or Nick, and then the other fella, you've met him before, Todd Full Throttle FPV. And just waiting for one more mate, and then we're going to go break into some dude's property and yeah, go fly. It's a cool spot. I got the Mavic Pro today, so I'm going to get some nice little cinematic shots, and then yeah, so see you there. So it's a bit of a walk. It's probably like a 20-minute uphill walk through bush from where the car is to where we are now, and we're all puffed, like not very healthy people here. Super puffed, AG, fully puffed. But this is I've been here before, as you may have noticed, and Joel, Todd and Cop, this is their first time here, so he's even getting rain ready. What the fuck? Rain ready, mate. Why?
Hi.
Hi. I'm too. And as you can see, we have the rare Todd. Did you do a poo or find a quad?
Crashing a quad.
Should have done a poo while you're down there.
Nah, I'm good for another 10 minutes. You showed him your toilet roll?
Nah. Bush survival. So myself and the boys just finished our first flights. Todd's down there finding his quad. That's just what Todd does. Loses his shit and then finds it. It's got a little beeper though, so that helps him. And then yeah, so we just had a first flight. It's really windy. I think this spot's just always windy. It's in valleys and stuff, but it's just super sick to fly, eh? It's really good to explore. And yeah, hopefully, I think maybe Cop wants to do that cliff on the left-hand side down there. It's basically over there, but I don't reckon he will. Pussy!
Yeah, that was way too windy.
Yeah, it struggled, eh? It's so much flex in the wing.
It was like, I thought it'd be alright, but the second it got up there, I was like, yeah, nah, they're not gonna work.
It's good if you just launch it one way.
Yeah. Yeah, it was flying that way really well. Wow, that's really good. Dude.
How'd you go, Toddy?
Thanks for that, Nick.
Prop got really loose.
What were you doing?
Heading down there, and then the this prop came loose.
Oh, yeah.
And just desynced and was coming straight down for the big rock, but it's pretty lucky it missed it. So another escape by the full throttle this time.
In the direction, what do you reckon? Where do you reckon Todd's going to
Todd's
crash?
direction always goes down.
He's going to go down.
He's going to go down, 100%.
Boys are heading down. Toddy's going to do some long range.
Todd's going first. You called
Todd's thing is it must be taking risks, otherwise it's boring.
Yeah. Like if he's not losing a quad.
Yeah, if he's having a shit time.
He's going to fly that ridge line, so he's going to start up there, go all the way down to there, and then he's going to boop, drop that side.
So curious, how'd I wind up so far from home when I barely had left the shore? And I was waiting in the undertow, said a drip fell away like bones, unaware where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of the love I love. I fell asleep within an autumn flow. I never knew I'd drift so far from home while I was waiting in the undertow.
Well, I crashed the Mavic into a tree. I was doing like a big cinematic, long sweeping backwards looking shot. Boom, stuck in a tree, but she's a little bit dirty. She's got a bit of scuff marks on there, but as you can see, maybe you can't see, there we go. Gimbal's working perfectly, she's all humpy dumpty, dory. Good to go again.
Farmers are allowed to fire warning shots, eh?
Are they? Hey Joel!
Yeah.
How's the Serenity?
Serene.
It's good, eh?
It is good.
It's good.
Nick,
Yo.
how's the goggles?
It's good, man.
Good?
Very happy.
Very happy?
Very happy.
All you want in your life is happiness.
Wait, what?
Well, Todworth, how many times have you crashed today, Toddy?
A lot, actually.
Yeah?
Did
Killed a quad, eh?
Probably
Just-
did 5
just
sets,
the right
props.
amount.
5 sets.
And one dead quad.
One dead quad.
One, what are you getting? Nose cam, man?
Nah. Just better audio.
Oh, yeah, okay. I reckon I got 2 marmots, and I think I busted the camera on the other one. I hit a head on with a tree down there.
Yeah, black video, eh?
Black video, yeah.
Black video.
Once you go black, you never go back,
Oh, okay.
apparently.
In a wheelchair.
I am not friendly, I came for the paper, little baby, don't get it confused. I see them paying the play, they be paying for pussy, my nigga, I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about shit but the money, cause you cannot buy shit with all of them views. I've been on 10 like 4th grade, same nigga but I'm more paid. Lame niggas throwing more shade, but you know it don't faze me. I'm blowing out gas to the whole whip hazy, with a new chick cause my old bitch crazy. Just a young player that the west side made me, but how could you blame me and how could you tame me? You can't pop in that pussy, you claim you a saint. Do what they can and they hate what they ain't, but I am the greatest, that ain't for debate. Raising the stakes and I'm eating them too. Hitters on deck, what you need them to do. Fuck all that talking, I leave it to you, cause I gotta go, got a meeting at 2. Tell me why all of the shit that you saying don't never match up with that shit that you do. We mobbing and thugging, you bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat, I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene, franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene, new life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene, franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene, new life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a blue face and bustin' out of. New life is something like a dream. New face and bustin' out of. New life is something like a blue face and bustin' out of. Franchise best on the team. not the same. New life is something like a dream. I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team.
We're gonna go to the next spot.
Oh, yeah. Next
Over the
spot,
hill.
2 bats.
Yeah, I've got 3.
Okay, cool.
Oh, let's pack this shit up, boys. So we're just heading to another spot now, and you can probably tell I do have a wind mic on, but it is super windy. You can see it in the grass. I can barely even hear Nick screaming, but I think it's about to start raining too, which is not very cool because we're probably like half an hour walk to the car. Oh, this is definitely snake territory. Look at this shit. Come on, brown snake, where are you? Looks nice though. Alright, stupid me was flying and I wasn't watching where I was going at all, just watching the screen, and I crashed the Mavic again. So 2 times I crashed the Mavic. I think it's because I have insurance on it, so I don't really care that much, but she's fucked now. So yeah guys, like always, thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, hit the little bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Nice of them to wait. Hey? To carry all my fucking things. Wait up!